Ha! Dang, YouTube. That, I think, is going to work out well. I'm testing out these Vogel Domed Sport Pellets using my Daisy 901 with this Discovery Opt scope. And I probably shot about half the tin. It's 500 round tin, and in this setting I probably shot around 75 pellets through the 901. Let's go down there and get that target. I was gonna shoot live, but it's a hassle having, because I feel like I need to make commentary in between the shots. Oh dang. And it throws me off, so I just need to focus, because I was seeing just some really promising results, and had to get it dialed in. So I want to thank Blake from Vogel. He sent me 2 tins of these pellets. I'd actually reached out to those guys, and anyway, it ended up working out, and they sent me some pellets to test, and I'm really appreciative. And I wanted to do a test to really do justice to the accuracy I was seeing. So there's a dime. Look at that. And so, you know, as I was getting my scope tuned in and stuff, this is what was at 20 yards. So we're gonna take these out to 50, and I'm gonna see how they do. So these are .177 caliber pellet, and as you can see, they're a very nice quality pellet. Here's you can kind of see the skirt. I haven't been having trouble with the skirts being deformed. And the most exciting thing I am about these pellets is, look at that, made in the USA. And so this is super cool. They come with foam around the edges. There's foam on the bottom of the tin. There's foam on the top of the tin. This is the box that they came in. Holy moly. So well packaged. Made it all the way up here to Alaska without getting damaged or deformed. Okay guys, let's try the 901 out at 50 yards. I've got target set up. I'll shoot at the paper. The Vogel 9.3 grain domed pellets. I'm going to be using 10 pumps. And then I got some cans, 3 can bottoms up there. Give those a try. I don't know where I'm hitting. I'm holding 2 mil dots over. I pulled that one a little faster than I meant to. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and shoot at the cans, and we'll see if I can do any better with those. That's good. It looks like I hit that. I don't know where I hit it, but when they flip like that, it's generally an indication I hit them on this end. I mean the outer circumference. And I miss. It's weird, I've been chasing the adjustments on the scope for windage back and forth. Like for quite a while now this afternoon. I don't know why. It could be me just trying to squeeze the trigger exactly the same every time, and that may be what the problem is. I'm gonna go grab that target. We'll take a look at it and call it a video. Okay, so here's the target from 50 yards, and 3 I could cover with a quarter. Could almost cover them with a dime, but that's cherry picking results. I mean, obviously I've got one way over here and one way over here, so not great. Like I say, I was chasing my windage back and forth, and I don't know why. Part of me wonders, let me see if I can demonstrate for this, and I can feel it in a trigger, if it's me on the trigger. Usually with my 880, the 1977, and this one was doing it too, the gun's unloaded here. I can slowly squeeze, and this will move, and then it'll go off. But all I have is a really stiff wall, and then it goes. And I don't know what changed or what happened. This gun it was really happening today. I don't know why. It's not particularly cold out or anything. I did put oil, I oiled the foam. So I'm gonna reach out to Daisy 880 Fanatic Fix It. He may know, because I've never had an issue with the trigger on an 880, and this is basically the same style. I don't know if it'll act the same without air in it. But usually there's more feel to the trigger, and I don't have that feel anymore. It's just a stiff, it's like a stiff wall, and then you go through it. So I like to get that feel that I had back, because I really liked the trigger before. And that just happened, I was noticing it today. But anyway, guys, if you're looking for a made in the USA pellet, these I think these work real well. They show a lot of promise. I had to try them out of a higher end gun. I'm just curious to do it out of a department store level gun, because that's what a lot of guys have. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.